Yo, what happened over there, boys? It is 6:24 right now. We are filling up, getting some snacks, and yeah, look at that. What's up?
Toss this bust.
Sure. Where are we right now? Somewhere in what? Colorado?
Yeah, we're about to hit Utah, man.
About to hit Utah and then Idaho. So let's go. I'll see you guys in Idaho probably. All right, boys, we finally made it to our cabin and we are getting set up. We already brought our stuff inside and as you can see, there's a lot of snow. It's like 4 feet and we got our snowboards right here. All looking good. That's mine, that's Elijah's, and then Dennis is setting up his board upstairs. Guess what? This cabin came with a little bit of treats. We have a lot of games, as you guys can tell. So let's go upstairs and check exactly out what we got here. So, right when you come in, we got a kitchen, very nicely looking. Front door right there. Then we got Dennis and Mark putting together Dennis's snowboard, as I said, and it's looking really good. What kind of snowboard is this, Dennis?
Rome mechanic.
Hell yeah. And Mark, are you gonna go snowboarding or what's up?
Yes, sir.
I think he's gonna hit it for one day.
Yeah, it was a kind of a last minute thing, so I'm just gonna rent a snowboard.
But yeah, he's gonna hit it with us tomorrow. It's gonna be hella fun, so yeah. This is mine and Dennis's room. Since we're the youngest, we're gonna sleep here. This is Elijah's room. He has a pretty nice bed. And then a door that he can slide out into the hot tub, which is right there. And that's actually nice. Let's go to Mark's room.
Bro, this room's where it's at, boys.
Yeah, this is the biggest room.
Oh, we got a Wii. We got like 100 Wii games. Don't forget the Wii.
Oh yeah, we're definitely playing
Oh,
Wii.
they got Mario Kart and 4 controllers.
We are definitely playing Wii. By the way, this is Mark's wife, Lisa. Do you want to be in the video?
I don't care.
Okay.
You got those consent forms.
This is their bathroom. I think this is the closet, right? Very nice closet. Here's the mirror for the lady. Here's the mirror for the man. And then the bathtub. Yeah, then we got a standing shower here. I don't think.
Dude, like older stuff just left in here.
Mark's not even gonna fit in there. I'm 6'1" and I barely fit in there, so. How is she, boss?
Not too bad. That's not too bad.
Should we hit the hot tub?
Let's hit the hot tub.
Let's hit the hot tub.
Catch those guys at the hot tub.
I'm gonna put my.
This is the best snap to snowboard.
Oh, that's not even snap. Wait.
Do it again for the boys.
Those cracks. That's fresh freaking.
All right, I'm gonna go put on my shorts and hop into the hot tub. What is up, boys? It is Thursday morning. We are getting ready to go snowboarding and shred the mountain. Look at this. We got the gear right here. Look at that snowboard. This is Dennis's. Mine is right there outside. Say what's up, Dennis. Elijah's in his room getting dressed. We made some breakfast. But yeah, now we're gonna go shred the mountain. Sorry guys that this video is not organized and that is jumping around everywhere, but let's make the best out of it and go shred this mountain, boys. Let's go. right, guys, made it on the lift. Look at this. You can't even see down. You ready, boy?
Yeah.
You ready? Let's go. All right, boys. This is the mountain right here. This lift right here takes you all the way up over there. All the way up. And then you send it whatever direction you want. There's 3. And actually, I think there's another trail over there, but didn't get to it. Pretty exhausted. But we are going back to the cabin, jumping in the hot tub, and hopefully all the cramps go away because my legs are cramping. But yeah, y'all like the fit? Look at this. I Spy. Oh, she's sexy. Yes, sir. Sorry guys for not filming on the mountain. I was kind of busy eating it. But Elijah, how'd you like it?
Dude, guys, that was the best powder ever.
Oh yeah. We need to come down here later when we get a little better and stop eating it. But we aren't bad. And Elijah, you wanna give a quick rep for the boys? Oh yeah. But yeah, guys, check that view out. It is amazing.